Beautiful one, welcome. In today's video we are talking about the shift that made me magnetic to everything, the shift that actually called in true love into my life, the shift that called in more wealth and abundance, realigned completely my life, and I was able to become a mom, and I was able to manifest business that I love, and I actually shifted from that struggle, grind, hustle into actually overflow and ease. This is what we want to do. Shift that actually did it all was activation of my feminine energy. And when I talk about feminine energy, I don't necessarily just talk about women. I'm talking about men, because both of us, we do have feminine and masculine within us. And when we actually activate that feminine part of us, this is connected to that receiving, your ability to receive your wildest dreams, to be able to actually experience love to the fullest, life to the fullest, abundance to the fullest. This is only possible when you feel safe. And recently I made a video where I did talk about that importance of feeling safe, because you don't really manifest what you want. You actually manifest who you are and what do you feel safe to manifest. Your nervous system is responsible for all your manifestation. If you feel that it's not safe to manifest love, you won't manifest it. You will sabotage it. If you feel it's not safe to manifest more money, more abundance, more financial freedom, if you feel any guilt connected to manifesting large sums of money, you won't manifest it. If you feel it's not safe to have it all because you have this belief, this fragmented belief that you can have this or that, guess what? Your life will actually reflect that. So if you right now feel like it's hard for you to manifest love or money or abundance or whatever it is that you're manifesting right now, if you feel like it's hard and you feel like you're trying so hard right now, it's because you're not allowing things to come to you. And I know this because that is the masculine within us that is pushing, controlling, that is trying to manifest, perform, and prove. But that same energy is causing us to delay the manifestation and sabotage the whole process. You can manifest your wildest dreams only when you learn how to balance these two energies. And what made me magnetic to love was that deep surrender to my feminine energy, because that feminine energy within me was about receiving love and finally giving myself permission to receive love. The same energy was responsible for manifestation of premium clients that brought 10 times or 20 times more money into my business. This could only happen when I felt worthy and safe to receive. The same energy was actually responsible for being pregnant with my daughter and manifesting pregnancy like that. If you are someone who is right now struggling because you are doing everything right and you are working so hard on that manifestation, I want you to pause and just surrender. That surrender is connected to that receiving, and that receiving must be connected to healthy nervous system. The nervous system regulation is the key here. If you still feel it's not safe because there is some sort of fear connected to receiving of love or receiving money or abundance, freedom, and so on, we need to actually take care of that part of you. And therefore, I am inviting you to my brand new masterclass called The Art of Receiving, where we're gonna dive deeper and open you up to multidimensional abundance in every area of your life, so you can hold it and manifest it with ease. There's going to be a link in description, and I'll see you in my next video.